In 1990, Autocar magazine released some of the most extraordinary performance figures for a production car that were ever published in a UK motoring magazine. A car that could hurtle from 0 to 60 in 5.1 seconds, 0 to 100 in 11.1, and could go on to a top speed past 175 miles an hour. That car was the Lotus Omega. And those performance figures got the car so much pre-release publicity, it became an immediate legend. The main ingredient of the package is a 3.6-litre 24-valve straight-six engine with two charge-cooled turbos, putting out 377 horsepower and a whopping 419 pounds-foot of torque, all delivered to the rear wheels via a 6-speed Corvette ZR1 gearbox. The Omega has outstanding levels of grip. Thanks to the enormous tyres out back and out front, the cornering speeds are high through open sweeps. In tighter bends, its bulk can make it a bit of a handful. Only one colour was available, Imperial Green, which in direct sunlight is stunning. The exterior is lean, mean and purposeful. The Integrale flaunted that come and drive me look like never before. Its flared arches, wider track and bonnet nostrils let you know you're in for a treat. The engine is a well-proven 2-litre 16-valve unit with balancer shafts, a Garrett turbo and an intercooler, all resulting in 210 horsepower, 4-wheel drive and a 0 to 60 of 5.7 seconds. This is a car that can be pushed hard even by less talented drivers. Remember, its rally success was unprecedented. It won all those world championships by slithering, sliding and scrambling sideways. The Omega and Delta were like chalk and cheese, but when they were released, I was a teenager and I wanted both of them. And now they complement each other perfectly in my garage.